Want to wrap an object around a sphere in Blender? Here's how to do it using lattice and shrink wrap modifiers. First, take a UV sphere. This will be the surface to wrap on. Then, take a cube. This is the object we'll wrap. Resize the cube to fit the sphere roughly. Go into Edit mode and add some subdivisions for smooth wrapping. Back in Object mode, move the 3D cursor to the cube and add a lattice from the Add menu. Go to the Lattice Data tab and set the resolution, U to 10, V to 10, and W to 1. Scale the lattice just a bit larger than the cube and move it to cover the object. Parent the cube to the lattice. Select the cube, then the lattice, press Ctrl-P, and choose Object, Keep Transform. Next, add a lattice modifier to the cube and choose the lattice as the object. Now, if you deform the lattice, the cube deforms too. To make it wrap onto the sphere, add a shrink wrap modifier to the lattice. Change Warp Method to Project, set Snap Mode to Above Surface, change Axis Z and enable Negative, set the target to the sphere. Finally, move the 3D cursor to the sphere, select the lattice and use double R to rotate or move it for perfect placement. And that's it, a wrapped object using non-destructive modifiers.